Today I'm going to be turning this piece of almond wood. It came with some pretty large cracks, so I went ahead and injected some black epoxy. My objective is to get a rose flute. We'll see how it goes. Hope you folks enjoy the video. Well, I made it to the end without any mishaps. I should have mentioned earlier that this piece of wood came out of a wood pile. It was going to be firewood for a pizza oven place, and my wife was able to acquire it. So anyhow, it was a good piece of wood to turn. The black epoxy came out pretty cool in the cracks. The finish I like, and as an overall project, I really enjoyed it. So if you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate the support. And as always, thanks for watching.